Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to join the Grow a Garden Discord server. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Roblox website and search for Grow a Garden. Click on the game to open its main page. Scroll down to the social links section. Here you'll find icons for platforms like Twitter, YouTube, and Discord. Click the Discord icon. This will redirect you to the official Grow a Garden Discord server invite. On the invite page, click Accept Invite. You'll then need to verify that you are human. Once verified, the Discord invite will be accepted and the Discord app or website will open the server. After entering the server, you'll see a welcome screen titled Welcome to Grow a Garden. Discord may ask you to customize your experience or choose topics of interest. You can skip this step if you prefer. Next, scroll down through the welcome message and read the rules. Once done, click Finish at the bottom of the screen. You are now inside the official Grow a Garden Discord server, where you can access channels, ask questions, get updates, and join the community. So that's basically how you can join the Grow a Garden Discord server. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.